I have finally found nightstands that are actually beautiful and functional. I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I have to show you these burlwood nightstands from EliteSet because I'm kind of obsessed with them. First of all, the color and wood grain are gorgeous. Burlwood always has that really rich organic pattern, and these stands feel warm and elevated without trying too hard. I also love the shape. They have this soft curved edge that makes them feel a little more modern and sculptural than your typical boxy nightstand. The drawers are spacious, which I appreciate because bedside clutter is real. They were super easy to put together. My teenager assembled them by himself, which tells you everything you need to know about the setup. But what I love most is their versatility. They work great as nightstands, obviously, but I could easily move them to several different areas in my home with great effect. They're just one of those pieces that instantly makes a space feel more put together, and that is my point of view.